Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing good. So right now I'm about to do my makeup. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the final makeup look, guys. I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym, so let's go change. Gym clothes. Let's put some perfume on. Okay. Let's go downstairs. I'll make my smoothie and we'll go to the gym. Okay, I'm in the kitchen, guys. We're gonna be making my fruit smoothie. So first thing, let's grab the fruits. Yeah, okay. This is what we have, guys. I'll show you. This is the fruits. Wait. Try something new. I'm gonna add some nuts. And another thing I'm gonna add is some walnuts, like this. Here we go. Because it's harder for it to break. Okay. So let's put our nuts in walnuts. Here first. So I'm gonna put 2 pistachios. Look at this. These are fresh ones, so they're very soft, and you can see like they've just been freshly peeled. So we got walnut. Okay. All right. So before I put the fruits in, we're gonna blend the nuts first, because it gets harder when you put the fruits in. Just a little bit of pistachios like this, and let that first get broken up into pieces. Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of the fruits. Okay, and some. Here we go. Milk. This time I won't add too much milk because last time we drowned it with milk. I think that's it. some ice. You just need 2 ice cubes, guys. So 2 is enough. Let's go pour this in. And that's it, guys. Tired, guys. Alright, let's go, guys. Project. I can't wait. And, my mom's done. Workout is done, guys. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and today hopefully we'll get started on. Alright, guys, we are back home. Oh boy, today was a good day, mommy. Alright, guys, I'm back home, guys. I just changed. Need to get ready. Oh. It's my favorite. Okay, I need to touch up. So okay, guys, I'm ready. I'm gonna go have some lunch and get started. Let's go.
That's weird. That's really weird.
That's the inspiration.
You have issues and your squad is just.
We like to be very low key. That's why we're called the Lolo Squad. This is. Alright, guys. So I had to quickly go and change. My brother wants to film a video in his house. I'll take you to my brother's new house. So let's go and. Okay, guys. Let's go. That's my brother, guys.
Yo, good morning.
Hi, Mom.
How are you, Lana Rose? What's up, Lolo gang?
So we on the low. Follow my brother.
Hi.
Like, he's just doing weird stuff in this house.
By the way, guys, look, I'm struggling for views. Please follow me, please.
Yeah, follow him, guys.
Please. I need some views.
If you want to see me, you can see me there.
I'll shave
too.
my head bald if I get 100k
No, don't
followers.
do that. No, I don't approve. Lolos don't approve
I'll
of that.
paint it pink. I don't know.
Okay, pink is nice.
Okay, we made it to my brother's house.
Woo! We're here. This is the madhouse. What you're gonna see right now
His house is not normal.
is a construction. Let me
Okay.
stop.
Alright, guys.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop!